Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. How to convert text file to Excel. So let's get started the video. Open Microsoft Excel. Click on blank document. From the menu select data. Then click on from text CSV. Locate and find the text file you want to convert to Excel. Click on it. Then click on import. A pop-up box will appear asking you to specify file origin, delimiter and data type detection. You can change the delimiters here. After that, click load. Now click on file and click on save. It will save your text file to Excel file. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.